Hey y'all, different view. So I'm gonna try to do this. This is more for my records and my keeping than anything else. This is the European Crosstitch Company, if I can figure out how to angle this so you guys can kind of see it. And this is where I ordered everything that I needed except for the fabric, because if we remember, I'm crazy and I'm doing it on black. So this is just the kit. So all the flosses, all the beads, all the things. And I'm opening it up now so that way you guys can see what's going on. So excuse the noise and the rustling. Can't be helped. So sorry. But there's that. And this is for Japanese garden. And let's see. We're just going to go through. Oh, how nice. They put it all on a nice floss ring. Oops, sorry. I bumped the camera. Stop moving. Stop. Everything's fine. Okay. And the beads. Oh, look. Needles. I don't like how not in focus you are right now, Linda. Linda. She's not cooperating with me today. But you can see there's two needles there. I'm assuming one is a beading needle. So this has all sorts of different beads. I plan on putting all of this. Where did it go? I didn't lose it. I know I didn't lose it. Okay, it may temporarily be lost. I don't know where it went. It's the Caroline bag, the Notions bag that matches this one. It's on my cart somewhere. Anyways, I'm going to just start opening stuff up and checking things off the list. I have a pencil because I really didn't want to have to mark on this, but I'm going to anyway. I know you guys can't really see that, but that's all right. I think we're going to be fine. So I'm going to start with the needlepoint silks, and let's see. I've got a phone number, I think. Do these have no? Oh, yep, color. I've never worked with any of these. I don't know what any of these look like or feel like or anything like that. So this is all new to me. So I've got 132 and 209. And if this is boring, I'm so sorry, but I felt like it needed to be done because, again, I haven't seen... There was one person that I saw who did an unboxing for this, and they put them in order. How fantastic is that? Okay, so which way are you going? This way. So let's just try this next one. I've never had floss away bags either, so that's super exciting. That's a little extra bonus. 562. You are 561. Now I'm reading these numbers upside down. I figure we could just kind of see what I've got, what one of these looks like, what it's going to be like if you were to order one. 465 and 465. I do need two of those, so perfect. This is 564. 565. The wrapping on that is different. I'm not sure if that means anything. I doubt it. 566. 588. And 724. Perfect. I'm going to try to go through these quickly. 725. 825. I do have to say that I'm really glad that I went this route. Oh, these ones are yellow too. Look at that. 883. Because when I was trying to order these through 886, where did I go to try to order these? Oh, now I'm drawing a blank. I see 961. Where did I go? It wasn't Stony Creek. It's the other one that I usually go to. 123 Stitch? I feel like it was 123 Stitch. Anyways, I couldn't find exactly... Oh, what are you? That's the phone number. Stop looking at the phone number, crazy. 986, correct. And 998. Oh, wait. 998. Uh-oh. Okay, I have 998 here, which is one of those. I should have three of those, right? 998, yeah. This one is 993. Okay, there it is. That's what confused me. 993. Wait, why do I have 993? Hold on. See, and this is exactly why I did this. Okay, because I do have an issue, I think. Here's 991. I should have 4 998s. And I have 4 993s and no 998. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 29, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Wait, how do I have 30 but I don't have... Hold on. See, this is... I'm going to confuse myself. This is what when I tell y'all that it's hard to be me, I mean it. That's 986. This says 998. I have one of those. I have 4 993. Wait. Are these all? This is 993. 993, 993. Okay, so I do have 30 of them, but I got 4 of the 993s, and I only got 1 of the 998. So I will have to contact them. Okay, I figured it out. Ooh, freaked myself out for no reason. Okay, this is Karen Waterlily's Flamingo. Karen Waterlily's Mulberry. This is Rusty Amber. Chartreuse. These are Thread Gatherer Silken Colors. Oh, never heard of them. Tapestry Green. 5 Camouflage Green. Oh, I gotta figure out where the rest of my bag is. There we go. Green Leaves. That's pretty. Wintered Grass. Mississippi Mud. That's an interesting color. Check that one out. Can you guys see that? That is super cool looking. Okay, you go back this way. I need to grab this next one. Oh, that one's really pretty too. Oh, I have a feeling I'm just going to be in love with all of these colors. Oh, look at that one. Okay, stop looking at them all. Pudding Mill Lane. That's an interesting name. I wonder how these people come up with... Whoa, what is that? Thread Gatherer's Silken Pearl. That looks interesting. I have no idea what that is. But it's pretty. See, Heather, we're good there. Okay, scoot back. On to the next page. We have Gloriana. I've heard these ones before. I've never had them, but I've heard of them. Gloriana Deep Sea Blue. Oh man, that one's pretty. That's kind of what the fabric looks like that I chose for Miss Dancing Flower. Cottage Woods. Is that Monet's Pond Green? Not sure. Lavender Ice. Okay, and now we're into the Rainbow Gallery Petite Treasure Braids. I've never had any of these either. This is... Oh. Okay, I see this one says PV 38. So do you have an... Oh yeah, PV04. It would help if my finger didn't cover it. And then this one is... I should have two. PH01. Those are the same, right? Yep. Cool. Okay. Is that it for the flosses? Yes, and now I'm back to those. So that's really nice that they set that up like that. I will keep these on the floss ring because I think that'll make it easier for me to be able to find things. I do need to contact them about the issue there, but I'm not overly concerned. I'm sure they will do a great job to take care of me. And then we have... Okay, I have a feeling I'm just going to be safer to keep these in this gorgeous little bag here. But we're going to pull these out just to double check, make sure everything's there. Again, 2 needles. Looks like the stitching needle and the beading needle. Quite possibly. And I'm going to hopefully put these back in where I got them. 1, 7, 3. Now, on the actual checklist, it tells you you need 336 beads. This shows me that I have 2 grams. I'm not sure if that's the same or more than. Linda, you're really making life difficult today. Like, could you please? Hello? No? Not today. What is your dealio? I'm even using the back camera like I'm supposed to be. Not the front-facing camera. Nothing? What if I... Can I... No? No? Anyways, it says 2 grams. I don't know why Linda's being a jerk, but it is what it is. This is 191. I guess she's in a mood too. I know she was over there giving Jules a problem. Now that one says 1 gram. 159 beads on that. This is 621. Okay. Now these are not the same as like the Mill Hill beads, right? They're different. They look different from like seed beads. 604, stop distracting yourself, child, and move on. Okay. 415? Yeah. 4, nope. 027, which is up here. 508. Just here. What? 684. I read that as 648 and confused myself. It's fine. Everything's fine. Ooh, check those ones out. Those are neat looking, and there's different colors in there, so kind of need to pay attention to which one I'm using. So I have Aqua AB 2X. It says I need 8. They gave me 10. I'm guessing that's Violet Opal AB. I need 16. They gave me 18. So not a lot of wiggle room, but just enough. I have no idea how to pronounce that, and I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's Indicolite. Indicolite? I have no idea. I'm just going to run with it. Also an AB. It says I need 32. They gave me 35. I'm assuming it's the blue one that's in there. The violet one in there is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not sure where the aqua is, though. There's only 10. Oh, maybe it's that one down there. I'm not even showing you. I don't know if you guys can see, like, a difference between this and this. It's slight, but it's there. Okay, not the point. The point is, I have them. Delica 411. I really wish that I could get my phone to focus. This has never been an issue with this phone, and now I'm having issues. Oh, this one also has. Look at those, they're little cubes. Not that you can see them because Linda's being a jerk. No? Still, Linda? Still? No? Nothing? Fine. I'll let you have it this time. Alexandrite AB cubes, 12, and 16 pearls. I'm guessing the Mill Hill Pebble beads are what these are? What are these? Delica 22. Oh no. 221 is what I'm looking at. Okay, so that's these. So I have that, and I have 2 things not checked off. One of them is, oh, there it is, Swarovski cubes. I need 12, and they gave me exactly 12, which is fine, because if I drop one of these, I should be able to find it. And 16 pearls, and I need 16 pearls. So, all of these are here. I'm gonna gently put all of these back. And I'm 98% sure that I will do the beading after. Unless one of y'all tells me it's easier to bead as I go. I'm not quite sure, because I do know that chances are I'm going to put this into a Q-snap. Because, again, black fabric. Because, again, I'm crazy. But there's that. I'm really glad I had a checklist. This did not come with the checklist. I took the checklist from the pattern that I had already purchased. But, still great review. I'll update you guys as to what goes on with the company. I will contact them as soon as I'm done here. Again, super impressive. I love the fact that they put it in floss away bags and that everything's right here. Nice cute kit for this. I'm going to actually throw these right back in here because that's where I got them from. Presentation was awesome. It was all nicely kitted together. This cute little ribbon. And there we go. So again, I'm going to contact them ASAP because I don't want to miss out on the chance of them fixing that. And as soon as they do, I will update you all. And yeah, Châtelaine, if you guys are interested, they also do a lot of long dog samplers too. So if you want to check out their website, they have kits. Go check them out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.